What is RNA? RNA, ribonucleic acid, is a single-stranded, mostly, nucleic acid polymer that plays central roles in gene expression, regulation, catalysis, and genome maintenance in all living cells. RNA is one of the two major nucleic acids along with DNA. In the framework of the central dogma of molecular biology proposed by Francis Crick, genetic information flows from DNA rightward arrow RNA rightward arrow protein. Chemical structure of RNA. Basic components. Each RNA nucleotide consists of nitrogenous base, adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, uracil, U, instead of thymine found in DNA. Pentose sugar ribose, has O at 2 carbon. Phosphate group. Structural characteristics. Feature. RNA. Sugar. Ribose, 2O present. Bases. A, G, C, U. Strandedness. Usually single-stranded. Stability. Less stable than DNA, due to 2O. Base pairing. A, U, G, C. Folding. Forms complex secondary and tertiary structures. Structural levels. A, primary structure. Linear sequence of ribonucleotides joined by 3, 5 phosphodiester bonds. B, secondary structure. RNA folds back on itself forming hairpins, stem loops, bulges, internal loops, pseudoknots. C, tertiary structure. Complex 3D folding stabilized by hydrogen bonds, base stacking, metal ions, Mg superscript 2. RNA can act as both genetic material, catalytic molecule, ribozyme. Types of RNA in living cells. RNA can be classified into coding RNA and non-coding RNA, ncRNA. Coding RNA, messenger RNA, mRNA, 5% of the total RNA, heterogeneous, polycistronic mRNA, prokaryotes, monocistronic RNA, eukaryotes. Structure. Single-stranded linear molecule. In eukaryotes, 5-cap, 7-methylguanosine, 5-UTR, coding sequence, 3-UTR, poly, A, tail. Function. Carries genetic information from DNA to ribosome. Template for protein synthesis. Structural features. Relatively unstable, variable length, most heterogeneous type of RNA in size and base sequence, contains codons, triplet sequences. Functional properties. Translated into protein. Undergoes processing, capping, splicing, polyadenylation in eukaryotes. Non-coding RNAs, ncRNAs. These RNAs are not translated into proteins but perform essential cellular functions. Housekeeping RNAs. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA, rRNAs make up about 80% of the total RNA in the cell. Structure. Highly folded, forms ribosome core, associates with ribosomal proteins. In prokaryotes. 16S, small subunit. 23s, 5s, large subunit. In eukaryotes. 18S, small. 28S, 5.8S, 5s, large. Functional properties. Structural scaffold of ribosome, catalyzes peptide bond formation, peptidyl transferase activity, acts as ribozyme. Transfer RNA, tRNA, smallest, 4s, about 15% of the total RNA in the cell. Structure. 75, 95 nucleotides, cloverleaf secondary structure, L-shaped tertiary structure, contains modified bases. Key regions, anticodon loop, acceptor stem, 3CCA end, D loop, T-CC loop. Functional properties. Adapter molecule in translation, carries specific amino acids, recognizes codons via anticodon. RNA processing RNAs. Small nuclear RNA, snRNA. Structure. 100 to 300 nucleotides, forms snRNPS, with proteins. Function. Involved in pre-mRNA splicing, components of spliceosome. Examples, U1, U2, U4, U5, U6. Small nucleolar RNA, snoRNA, located in nucleolus. Function. rRNA modification. Methylation. Pseudorydylation. Regulatory RNAs. miRNA, miRNA. Structure. 21, 23 nucleotides, derived from hairpin precursor. Function. Post-transcriptional gene regulation. Bind to 3-UTR of mRNA. Inhibit translation or induce degradation. Small interfering RNA, siRNA. Structure. Double-stranded 21, 23 NT. Function. RNA interference, RNAi. mRNA cleavage. Antiviral defense. PIWI interacting RNA, piRNA. Structure. 24 to 31 nucleotides, single-stranded. Function. Silence transposable elements, germline genome protection. Long non-coding RNA, lncRNA. Structure. 200 nucleotides, can be spliced, capped, polyadenylated. Function. Chromatin remodeling. Transcription regulation. Epigenetic control. Example, XIST, X chromosome inactivation. Catalytic RNAs, ribozymes, RNA molecules with enzymatic activity. Examples. rRNA, peptidyltransferase, self-splicing introns, RNase piRNA. Support the RNA world hypothesis, proposed by Walter Gilbert. Other specialized RNAs. Guide RNA, gRNA. RNA editing in protozoa. Circular RNA, siRNA. Covalently closed loop, regulatory roles. CRISPR RNA, cRNA. Prokaryotic adaptive immunity, associated with CRISPR-Cas systems. Structural vs functional summary. RNA type. Structure. Major function. mRNA. Linear, capped and poly, A. Protein coding. rRNA. Highly folded. Ribosome structure and catalysis. tRNA. Cloverleaf, L-shaped. Amino acid delivery. snRNA. Small nuclear. Splicing. snoRNA. Nucleolar. rRNA modification. miRNA. Short single-stranded. Gene silencing. siRNA. Short double-stranded. RNA interference. piRNA. Longer small RNA. Transposon silencing. lncRNA. Long-structured. Gene regulation. siRNA. Circular. Regulatory roles. Key structural properties of RNA. Single-stranded but forms double-stranded regions, contains 2O, chemically reactive, highly diverse structures, can function as enzyme, dynamic and short-lived, especially mRNA. Key functional properties of RNA. Information transfer, mRNA, catalysis, rRNA, ribozymes, adaptation, tRNA, regulation, miRNA, lncRNA, genome defense, piRNA, siRNA, RNA processing, snRNA, snoRNA. RNA is not merely an intermediate molecule but a central regulatory, catalytic, and structural component of living systems. It carries genetic information, catalyzes biochemical reactions, regulates gene expression, maintains genome stability, participates in epigenetic control. Modern molecular biology recognizes RNA as one of the most versatile biomolecules in the cell.